Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is bilingual. Hola a todos, este video está en inglés y en español. Antes de empezar a pintar esta letra, en lo que son las orillas, algunas orillas ya se estaban despegando y lo que hice fue ponerle goma. La goma cuando se seca es clara, no se ve, es invisible casi. Y en todas las orillitas donde yo estaba preocupada que se fuera a meter toda la pintura y a despegarse aún más, ahí le apliqué goma en todas las orillas completamente. Here comes the paint. So really carefully I add this paint and make sure I cover as much of it as I can. I did apply glue on the edges because the canvas was already lifting up, and this is before I even apply the paint to it, so I figure, it's gonna get really wet with paint, so I might as well just apply glue to every single edge, even if it's not lifting, just a layer of protection of glue. Glue dries clear, so it's really easy to do that. You can also use glaze if you have it, the glaze for interior walls. That one will work just as fine. I did glaze the letter after I was done, so I'm making sure I cover everything. This is a messy job. If you don't want to get your hands or your acrylic nails all dirty, put gloves on. Highly recommended. I don't have acrylic nails, so that's not an issue for me. I did use my medium here is floetrol. I like it. It's economical. And I'm still a beginner. I consider myself a beginner. So these letters are awesome. There's other ones that are kind of flat, which I can do as people order them. I have more letters coming up. This is my very first one. Esta es la primera letra que yo hago de estas dimensiones. Pienso comprar más. Tengo otras aquí ya en casa. No son planas, también las hacen planas de madera. Que si alguien me ordena algunas letras, como la palabra amor o algo así, pues yo las puedo hacer al gusto, ya que el cliente seleccione sus colores. Vaya, y así es como queda ya terminada. Bueno, si les ha gustado, denme un me gusta. Le apliqué un poquito de glaze, que es como un barniz. No muy brillante, pero como protección. I applied some glaze at the end once it was dry as a protection measure. Well, hopefully you'll give me thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you. Ciao.